Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes E55 W210 and how to remove the back seat. Let's get started. So before we get started on the rear seat removal, make sure the back seat's completely empty. And also to make this job easier, I'm going to move the front seats up. So you're going to stick your finger right here. So both sides are going to have a locking mechanism. On this side, you're going to go here towards the door panel and locate this little opening right here. And this opening right here is going to have the unlocking mechanism. All you're going to do is lift this white piece up and pull the seat up. And when you're unlocking this mechanism to pull the seat up, make sure you're not sitting on the seat. Just like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Once it's lifted, you're going to just slide the seat outward and it'll come right out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos on this Mercedes, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.